Look back there. Look up there. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but it's like a rainbow in the sky. It's pretty spectacular. Looks like it's going to be a $1 million day, folks. Out my cell phone and do what's inspired. And there you go, kids. So you have it. It's enough of that, right?
Oh, sick. Hell yeah. That was sick.
OneTakeJay, that's me. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for subscribing. One take. This is pretty cool looking. I've been watching it. I got some pictures to show you too. Call it a sundog. Well, just call it a sundog. I made some videos of another anomaly in the sky before, and I'm gonna try to get anything. I just think it's amazing. I don't know if you can see the colors up there or not, but it's been changing. I was riding a bus back here to the train station at this sketchy bus stop here in Phoenix, Arizona, 24th Street, Washington. You don't want to leave here at night. Miss your last bus. I'm telling you what. But anyways, I saw that, and I saw the stripes in the sky. They look like clouds now, but if you look at them, right, you could tell they zipped up the sky with jet trails and stuff. Those are real clouds off in the distance. These are your manufactured ones. See the sundog? That's what it is. It's a sundog. Changing all kinds of colors. Take a look at some of the pictures. See it? See it now? It's getting brighter. Yeah, I had to do this one take. Yeah, my name's Jay. This is my channel. I pull out my cell phone and make videos sometimes. This is interesting stuff. Just gotta watch it change. I've been watching it change for like an hour now because it started out like in a different part of the sky. Just fascinating. See it? See the rainbow colors? That's just incredible. And y'all can say what you want to say, right? That's manufactured weather. So, enough of that nonsense, right? Just look behind me. Call it what you want. I think it's fascinating. Ooh, there's some on the other side too. Look, see? Those are all turning purple too. That's kind of wild. I wonder what's going on with that. Nah, there ain't nothing happening. There ain't nothing there. Doesn't exist. Doesn't exist. I don't know. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Just another day on my way to work. Thought I'd just make this interesting video. I hope you folks enjoy it. Over here to this train station. We'll drive by the train station. And this is a sketchy ass train station here too. Whew. Some weirdos hang around. Yeah. Especially like, well, they've kicked them all out, but there's usually a bunch of homeless people hang out over here. There's the train station going the other way. But yeah, stepping off of here, I wish they would do something about the security here because it's really a sketchy place to catch a train. I catch it here every day too on my way to work, but I don't catch it home. I thought I was going to get like robbed or something one night. It's like they came out of that's like homeless zombie land. go after the there with a full moon. It's the thriller. Yeah. That's what I think about when I get off that Michael Jackson Thriller video. That's it right there. Or that in the Night of the Living Dead. They're going to eat my brains. Alright, so here we go. Sorry, nothing too exciting. It just... See, look, it's still, it's over there and it's changing. Just wanted you all to see this anomaly that I saw. I wanted to get some video of the jets actually making the stripes in the sky. That's crazy talk, conspiracy talk. You guys ever seen that movie Highlander 2? Watch it. I'll put a link in the description. Highlander 2. Just watch it. It's an interesting movie. But now that I'm here, I think I'm gonna wait for my train. Thanks for watching this video. I love seeing your subscriptions. You guys are all awesome. The most awesome subscribers on YouTube are you guys. Get psyched and do something about it. See ya. It's not rain. It's Valley Metro and the City of Mesa present The Rain Shelter, an artistic design by Lori Lundquist. Artist-inspired bus shelter, illustrating the aura of rain in the desert. Symbolic raindrops fall from the angled roof, angled roof, complementing the playful architecture of the Mesa Art Center. Completed 2009, Metro Valley, Mesa, Arizona. Yeah. Okay, yeah, one take. This is actually the second take for today. They might even coincide with each other, I don't know. But anyways, look up. It's pretty neat, right? This is the Mesa Art Center here, and they have the fanciest bus stop I've ever seen. Take a look at it. Isn't that neat? Just like some artistic design of sorts. They got like these steel balls hanging from these cables. I don't know. Symbolic of raindrops, like the sign says. But it's a bus stop. I guess the Mesa Art Center makes sense. I hope you guys like it. I think it looks pretty cool. I'd wait for a bus here. I'm not waiting for the bus, though. I'm waiting. I stepped off the train, because I take the train every day, and I told you that I'd bring some of the artistic stuff, so let's just sit here and look at the art. At the angled roof. Yeah, the angled roof rain shelter. Leave some comments. We'll walk around in a circle. Maybe some rain in the background. Or maybe not. According to that other video, the colors in the sky. Say, isn't that cool? Isn't that a cool rain shelter right there? Isn't that a cool bus stop? Definitely. I didn't know what it was. I kept seeing it. I'm like, I gotta go take a look at that thing, see what it is. Just let you guys look at it. I'm trying to figure out what those things are that it's made out of. Some kind of metal bulb or something. Ooh. Push button for info. Let's see what happens.
June 29, 2016. The current time is 11:44 a.m. Junio 29, 2016. La hora es 11:44 a.m.
That's all the info you get? Let's push it again.
June 29, 2016. The current time is 11:44 a.m.
Junio 29, 2016. La hora es 11:44.
That's it. Yes. It's even got a clock. Let's push it one more time.
June 29, 2016. The current
I
time
wonder
is
if it'll go off that many
11:45 a.m.
times. Let's see.
Junio
I
29,
don't know. You guys like bus gags?
La hora es 11:45
He's gonna be performing here.
AM.
At the Mesa Art Center. Now, there it is. I know this is a short, boring video, but I just wanted to bring you this thing that I'm standing under. It looks like raindrops, and it's pretty cool. I'm gonna go get on that train over there, and then that's me. And it says, "Do not cross the tracks." I am going to risk my very life right now. Oh, whew, that was a close call. All right. Back at the train station. There's the bus stop. There's the rain. Looks like rain in the background. I hope you like it. Thanks for subscribing. Show it to your friends and get psyched. Do something about it.